Alright, so in this video I have a bunch of random pickups, but I wanted to focus mostly on this pair right here since this is the one I paid resale for over the holiday. And basically, the resale dropped significantly on these. So I wanted to pick them up, and I noticed the prices kept on dropping. Interesting turn of events. Curious to see what's going to happen with that. But we'll get into that in just a minute. Let's go ahead and show you guys some of the other pairs out here first. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description. Happy shopping. And then if you guys want to buy any of these products out here, I try to link these in the description for you guys' sake as well. Let's show you what we have. First things first, let's take them out of the boxes, I guess. Yeah, let's do that. Let's take them out of the boxes. All right, so that's better. Let's show you guys these first. This is a new pair of Off-Whites. Yes, I know I just trashed them because Nike and Off-White was not very good. The last release, I do like this colorway. It is way better than the three colorways that they had in the previous. And it's actually one that I want to dip dye and change the color, I guess. Maybe I can turn this one specific color. Something maybe to go with these green laces or something not. And I can lace swap those crazy green laces. But leave a comment, let me know, comment section, what color do you want me to turn these? But cool looking model, better than the other one in my opinion, but still super sleeper, didn't sell out or anything like that on Nike.com. Let's move on to the next. I was super excited to get a pair of these. Now I do have the other pair coming that I wanted from this drop. Dornbecker Freestyle event. I went to the event this year and actually attended with my friend Lena. And it was a lot of fun, and we got to see the kids and meet the kids and interview them. I did a video interviewing all of the kids, and this dude right here is Sawyer Miller, and he was really cool, man. He had brain cancer, unfortunately, when he was younger, and he's only 12 years old. So it's just a crazy journey this poor dude's been in. He had this shoe here, and it immediately spoke out to me. First of all, I mean, dude, we have a panda on the Nike swoosh, super rad. On top of that, you have this little thing right here. It says Team Sawyer. And green is not my favorite color traditionally, just because obviously I'm an Oregon State Beaver. But green is my son's favorite color, so I thought he would like the fact that I would get green shoes. They didn't have these in his size, so I couldn't get them in his size. But kind of cool. It comes with some extra little bands here. And then obviously, those that are familiar with my channel, this shoe is one of my favorite new shoes of the year. Nike Zoom X and React on the midsole. Very, very comfortable shoe. So the combination of those things made me go, yeah, I gotta make sure I buy a pair of these. Paw prints on the collar for his dog. And then on the other one right here, he has pandas. Engineered to the exact specifications of Team Sawyer, Dornbecker Freestyle. And that's something that they changed the font down there just for him, obviously, as well as with the paw print down by the Zoom X. Paid retail for these and glad I got a pair. Moving on, okay, so I finally got my second pair of these. And here we have the Easy joints right here, $350 Black Friday. I got these from Dick's Sporting Goods, and I got a pair from Adidas. I did also get a pair of these. I totally forgot to show you guys these. I have a different video that I'll show you guys these in. Shout out to Hibbett Sports for actually gifting me this pair right here. Mega, mega dope that they got me these. All right, moving on. I got a couple more things to show you. I know you guys saw the Croc package here, right? The Posty Co. I actually really wanted to see these in person because they looked just different. I guess different than the regular Crocs. This is the Post Malone Crocs. This is my wife's size. It's not my size. I actually struck out on my size, but I did get a pair of these in this size. They're $60, I think, retail. And really rugged midsole, really big, rugged looking midsole on these Crocs. Then you have the P right here and a little bit of a strap and even like a little chain that's tied to it. So kind of a cool looking pair of Crocs, if I can say so. Next up, I got a couple Kith t-shirts. Really like these. It's from a floral collection. This is a floral box logo right here. Really, really thought it looked awesome, so got one of these. 70 bucks, though, is kind of steep for a t-shirt. These should be no more than 50, but they are nice quality, thick t-shirts, but still crazy expensive. And then, or at least give me free shipping, man. $10, crazy. Anyway, this one is embroidered, though, so this is kind of nice. It's the different logo on here with the blossoms in the backdrop right there. All right, and the last pair, and the reason why you guys probably even clicked on this video, is this pair right here. So shout out to you guys if you guys stuck around the video this long. Virtual high five for all you guys. But here is the box. There is a price on these that I paid. Shipping included, $738, man. So much money. But I did want a pair of these, and I put in the bid for the price because I thought it was a good price at the time. There we go. Travis Scott 6s. I really wanted this one when it came out, and I struck out originally Just like I do on pretty much all Travis Scott shoes. I've literally struck out on all of them. I paid resale on the 4s and the 1 lows. I still want the 1 highs because I love brown sneakers, but I bought these ones from StockX. Somebody tell me these are authentic. All jokes here, but you never know, right? Like, people have been stung from what it sounds like from anywhere, because it's easy to get stung on shoes that they highly replicate. In fact, if you guys want to see me buy a replica pair of these and do a comparison to the real pair, something I wanted to do when they both originally came out. Of course, I struck out on them, so it wasn't worth doing. But if you guys want to see that comparison, leave a comment, let me know. These are wild looking. So this is actually my first real detailed look at the shoe in hand, because I haven't had to even look at them, even though I opened the box. I think the outsole is glow in the dark. It's this green suede material. It's super buttery through the shoe. And then some other things that I like about this shoe is there's actually denim underneath for the tongue. So the tongue is denim. Raw edged right here, which is cool. And then, you know, the Nike Air branding on the back, even though it's not an OG. You have your little minigun purse right here with the smiley face. And this is the part where a lot of people are like, I don't know if I like that. Or it's funny because the Off-White 5s, a lot of people aren't feeling the little circle things that he replaced. But this he replaced with a little pouch, and people like that. I don't know. I don't mind the Off-White 5s, though, personally. I want to see them in hand, though. But I wonder, like, what I can actually store in here. I don't know. Obviously, I don't smoke weed or anything, but I don't know. Maybe I'll store weed in here for my friends or something. It looks like an infrared color back here, and then also, you know, the accents, which is something we've seen a lot of, the infrared, in the last year. Cactus Jack on the lace lock here. The Jumpman. Anyway, the overall topic of the video, though, is like the price of these just mega dipped. These were trending to 1,000, and at some point they were over 1,000. Dropped down to 9s and then 8s. And then when they dropped into 7s, I was like, yeah, I can cop at 7s. I feel comfortable with that. Now they're in 6s. I saw my size selling for 666. It's a mark of the beast. Like, I can't believe that they dropped down to 6s and under 5s in some sizes even. Do you think it's going to keep going down? Do you think it's going to go up? Why do you think the prices of these dropped so much? Maybe it was because of the Air Force Ones dropping, and then people were trying to decide which one they wanted to pay their resale on. Is it because the replicas are doing so well and they're so close to the real thing that people are just bypassing the real deal and buying the replicas for that like $190 price point or whatever? It's an interesting trend to see the Travis Scott hype go so crazy. And even the 1 highs have dropped quite a bit in price as well. They were trending up to $2,000 in my size, close to $1,800, $1,900, and now they've dropped quite a bit. So wondering, do you guys think that's going to stay that way? Do you think it's going to go back up? I mean, this day and age in sneakers, it's impossible to tell, because sometimes they go really, really high up, and then something happens and then the price just mega dips for no reason at all. I'm not really sure what to say anymore, man, because the resale market is so different than it's ever been. Not that I've been like a mega player in it ever, but the resale market is way different than it has been in the past. Every one of the Travis Scotts that I bought so far, I've bought coming down from the high point, and I've like got stung on every single one of them. The Travis Scott 4s, the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows, and then these ones as well. I paid a premium price for them, and then they've dropped significantly on every single pair. Collectively, I've probably lost $500 on all of them with the resale dip that this happened, which is fine. I mean, I bought them at the price that I was comfortable paying, but it does kind of suck looking at it going, oh wow, I could have actually paid for less than what I was comfortable with, and I would have been okay. But leave a comment, let me know what you guys think about the prices. Do you think they're going to go back up or down? I don't know. We'll see. Time will tell. But I'm happy that I got a pair of these regardless. My wall behind me back here is lacking a lot of green sneakers, so I got to get some green and some more yellow ones too, because I don't have either of those colors very much. But that's the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, though. A bunch of random pickups this week. A lot of sneaker reviews coming your guys' way. And even though the sneaker reviews don't get a lot of views, for me, it's worth doing it. I just like to do them, even if it's not something that catches on and gets views. But anyway, that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Have a good rest of the day. Subscribe for more sneaker videos, and see you guys for more videos soon. Peace, guys.